Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change our tag lamp and this Kia Forte right here. So if your car look like this, it will be the same procedure of changing the tag lamp. Alright, so if you want to change the right side, you're going to push the flathead screwdriver through here, right where you see this opening gap right here. See, the other side is like seal. This side has like a different open gap right there. Same thing on this one. So let's get started. So first thing, you want to open your trunk, which you already know to do that, so I didn't do that on video. So as you can see, get my flathead screwdriver, push it between here. You're gonna push it all the way down until you see it lift up. Then you can take it out like that. So basically what we did is push this in right here. And after that, you're gonna pry the four corners that have the clips on it. And it will come out. I'm gonna hold the bulb. I'm gonna hold the bulb and pull up on the bulb. Once you pull up on the bulb, you're gonna get a new bulb to put in it. So after you get your new bulb, what you want to do, and by the way, this is a 194 bulb, that's what it used. Link will be in the description for where you can get the bulb. You want to put your new bulb in, and then you want to turn on the switch for the headlamp. So once you turn the switch for the headlamp, you're gonna notice the light come on. And after the light come on, you know that's good. You want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, also like, comment and share. And once you do that, you want to put this back the same way you take it off. So you don't want to put it this way. Alright, so it can only goes one way, so that's what I'm trying to make sure. It can only go one way, so yes it can. So put it the same way you take it off. And that's it guys. Once again, please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.